Yeah. Came at 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
So today I learned more about NumPy, and let us first rename. I have created a new notebook, and NumPy. Now I have renamed the notebook. Now first let us import NumPy as np. So I have imported NumPy. Now there are few operations, means arithmetic operations we can do on arrays. So first let us create one array 1 equals to now I have to write np dot array, and then in bracket let us give list 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, now if I run now, let us try to add one more list and see what happens. Now if I add, means now this I think we have created one array. Okay, now input in second in module. I don't understand. Field element must be 2 or 3 tuples. Got 4. What is the problem here? I don't get it. I think we need to put it in a bracket or something. Now if you run, yep, I forgot to put one brackets outside. Now if I want to multiply, suppose if I write array 1 multiplied by multiplied by array 1, and now if I do shift enter, here you can see it has multiplied 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, means it multiplies element by element, means basically it multiplies each element by element wise, means many people have confusion that it is using some matrices method and all that. It does not, it just multiplies element by element. Suppose if I write, wait a minute, array fun and plus array 1, and now if I enter, here you can see it has added element wise, right? Same goes with division, same goes with subtraction as well. It subtracts itself, but that would all come out to be 0. But now if I take array to the power of that array, wait a minute, let me add 1 here, array to that power, means suppose this 1 to the power 1, 4, no, not this, here 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3, 4 to the power 4, and something like that. And now if I shift enter, here you can see now we have some numbers like 5544 to the power 5544, which are like not means our NumPy library is not that much able to calculate that much numbers, so it gives another numbers. Okay, so these were like basic multiplications or basic, what you can say, arithmetic operations we can do with arrays. Now I learned about slicing in NumPy. Now let us create first one more array just by taking only one list as input uh, to start understanding it. Now I have taken this I guess it should run because shift enter. Okay, so we have created array 2. Now there are 6 elements, right? Now if I want to know, now suppose ARR is equals to ARRAY 2 4 is to 6, means the elements between 4 and 6. Now if I run, wait a minute, ARR, I did not, yep, here you can see 54 and 5. Now here it starts from 0, I guess 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, means elements between 4 and 5, means it's in the elements between 6, but it will just print 4 and 5, so 54 and 5 will be there. Now suppose if I want ARR 0, means what is at the 0, here you can see 54. Now what means, see, ARR is 54 comma 5, right? So ARR 0 is 54. Okay, now suppose I want to change this 54 to 9, suppose 9, so ARR 0 is equals to 9, shift enter. Okay, now if I print ARR, wait a minute, here you can see it has changed here, right? In ARR it has changed 54 to 9, but if I want to see has it changed in array 2, wait a minute, here you can see it has not changed, it is there 54. Okay, I think it should change, I don't know why it has not changed, but it has not changed, so this will change the main array as well, but it has not changed the main array, I don't know how. Yep, I don't know why it has not changed. So basically this is how it is. Now suppose we want to do slicing with our main array function. Oh come on, array 1 means which has two dimension array slicing, means which has 2 dimensions, right? Now it is simple. First we write now suppose if I write ARRAY 1 and 0, so it will miss this whole 1 2 3 4 and 5 is 0. Okay, now if I want to write if I want to go for particular element, so I can write array 0 and then one more bracket, and inside that I can write no, not one more bracket, I have to write inside that comma. Suppose I want third element, right? So I will write 3. Now if I shift enter, integer 0, 3, wait, I did a mistake here, 1. Now if I shift enter, here you can see it has shown as fourth. So this is how slicing is done in 2D and 1D arrays, and that's all I learned for today. Thank you.